How to deactivate Twitter account permanently. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Twitter application on our mobile phone. Once done, go to the upper left hand corner and there you can see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. Under the profile settings, you can see settings and support below. And under that, there's settings and privacy. Click on it. And then you will see your account. Click on your account by then. And there are like lots of things that you can choose from: account information, change your password, download and archive, deactivate account. Of course, we want to deactivate account. And in here, in this page, you will be routed to this one, which tells you like good to know information before you deactivate your account. So basically, you can retrieve your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. However, after 30 days and you did not sign into your Twitter account, basically your Twitter account will be deactivated permanently by then. So we still need to wait for 30 days for it to be deactivated successfully. Now let's click on the deactivate button, and in here you just need to confirm your password before you can deactivate your account successfully. And lastly, click on the deactivate button down below, and by then you will be successfully deactivated to your Twitter account. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.